Hello, my viewers, watchers, student, girl or boys, all are welcome and greetings to you all. I am your Gilani sir. You are watching me, my channel, Gilani sir. Here we learn mathematics with easy way and funny way and not the bothering way. So today we learn what the odd numbers and even number. This is the very basic concept of mathematics because if your base is a fundamental thing is strong, the building will always be strong. In earthquake also, is difficult question also not shake you. So we will learn the basic concept and try to find is all the deepest and the tricky things also what will happen in different operations. So first of all we will learn what is even number. In even number generally what people say, and we know that when a number is divided by 2 then it is called even number, or whether it is come in the table of 2 like 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, then it will be called even number. But or it is divisible by 2, and odd number generally what is which is not divisible by 2 or not come in table of 2. So odd numbers this like 1, 3, 9, 11, 13 and 15. But here is the tricky thing is that what will we do when the 0, if someone asks either 0 is even number or odd number, what will you do? It is not coming in the 2 table also and is not divisible by 2 also. Then student start thinking what will do now in situation. Now as per the definition what we get when any number divided by 2 like 4, 2 2 ja 4 and remainder is 0. So when we say the remainder is 0, the number will become even number. Like 6 also 2 3 ja 6. So here also 0, then it's also a even number. And what will we check in 0? When we divide 0 by 2, what we get when we divide 0 times 2 0 is 0, what we get remainder 0. So 0 is also the even number. What number? Even number. So 0 is also even number. This is the tricky point. What is the tricky point? So what we get now, this 0 is even number, what will become? Now it is the whole number becomes. From the natural numbers it becomes whole number, because natural number we take 1 to infinity, in whole number we take from 0 to infinity. Now the even and odd number come in which section or part? Not natural number but in whole number, because 0 is also added in the even number. So remember, odd and even number divide the whole number into two parts. One part is even number, another part is odd number. In every whole number either will be even or either it will be odd. Same time a number cannot be even or odd, both cannot be possible. Either the number will be odd or even. So I think you understand this definition of even and odd number. Now further we will take its operation. Like operation of what? Multiplication. First we become addition and then subtraction, then multiplication and then division. Multiplication is very, multiplication, subtraction, addition, subtraction and multiplication is very easy, but in the division section it is tricky. So first we will learn about the easy section. In addition, when we add two odd number. Here we denote odd number by letter O. So when we add two odd number, what we'll get? We will get always even number, and we will denote even number by E. For example, you will take odd plus odd any two number like 3 plus 5 or 7 plus 9 or 13 plus 11. What will always get? 5 3 plus 8, 9 plus 7, 16, and 13 plus 11, 24. So what we get? All 4, 6, 8. And also you one thing you also remember, in for a smaller number it is easy to find 1, 3, 9, and what will be the for the larger number? For the larger number, for finding it is even or odd, we will just see the unit place of that number. For example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. For this number it is even or odd, we cannot see this number, only unit place. In unit place we see 2. So in the unit place, if number is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then it will become the even number. Hope you understand. Right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it will be the even number. Only see the unit place, not the tens, hundred or thousand place. Like this also for the finding it is odd, just see the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. We don't see other place, only see the unit place. If it is 3, it will be the odd number. For odd number, what is 1, 2, no sorry, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, the 5 number that comes in unit place, that number will be odd. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. When this number come in unit place, this becomes even number, and here this number come, then unit place becomes odd number. So you will learn how to identify the large number or big number. It is even or odd. Now again come to my point where I am trying to understand you. When odd plus odd, the number will be even. When we add even plus even, what we get? Also even. You can try by example. 4 plus 6, 8 plus 10, 12 plus 14. What we get? 10, 18, 14 plus 12. What we get? 26. All are even number. So you are seeing here by example also how we can say that even plus even always be even. And what will happen when odd plus even? Odd plus even always be odd number. What will be? Always be odd number. And even plus odd also will be odd number, because in a mathematical operation, in addition, either you add, it is placed like 2 plus 4 or 4 plus 2, both are same. So either you write it first position or second position, you change the position in addition, then it no change happen. So in addition you learn here what will happen, odd and even. Now for subtraction, what will be for subtraction? Even plus minus even minus even. What will, like 6 minus 2, 8 minus 4, 12 minus 6, what happen? 4, 4, 6. All are coming even, so it will become even. When you subtract even number from even, the number will always be even. When you subtract from even to odd number, when you subtract odd number from even number, what will happen? Like example, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 5, 12 minus 3, 4, 8 minus 5. Sorry, here even है, so I will take here 10, 10 minus 3, it will be 7, 8 minus 5, 3, 10, 12 minus 3, 9. All is coming odd number. So what will happen? Even minus odd always be odd number. And when you subtract odd minus even, what will happen? Odd minus even. Like example, 13 minus 4, 15 minus 6, and 11 minus 4. Sorry, 11 minus 8. 13 minus 4, what will happen? 9. 15 minus 6, what will happen? 9. 11 minus 8, what will happen? 3. What are we getting? Odd. So either you even minus odd or odd minus even. In both cases you are getting odd number. And from even, odd minus odd, odd minus odd, what will happen? It will become even. For example, you can see like 13 minus 5, 17 minus 7, 19 minus 3. What will 13 minus 5? 8. 17 minus 17, 19 minus 3. It will become 16. So all are getting odd number. So I also see this thing in the minus operation. Now coming to multiplication. What will happen in multiplication? In multiplication, even into even will be always even, because even means you have to add even number in even times. When you add even number in even times, it will always be even. Like 5 into 6 into 6, 4 into 2 will get always 36, 8 always be even. And here when you add even into odd, it will always be even, because when you add odd number even times, when you odd number even times, it will always be even. So even or odd is even in multiplication also. If you change the position, no any change will happen. So odd even will also be even, and odd only be odd number. So in multiplication, odd number coming only when you multiply odd number to odd number. In another section, always it will be even. So now for the division section. Now for the we see division. It is just typical. So we will erase it and we see it by very in a relaxed manner and easy manner. We take it, understand, by taking example deeply how what will happen when even number divide by even number, or even divide by odd in division section. As example, even number divide by even number. What will you see generally? Like 18 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2, 12 divided by 4. Here in division, what we get? We get all completely divisible. Here 2 1 is 2, 7, 2 1 is 2, 9, 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. 3, 9, 7 are all you getting even. And just by example, what we also see like this, 16 divided by 4, 12 divided by 2, and 8 divided by 4. Here what we get? 4 1 is 4, 4 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Here you also see 2 4 6. Here you even number divided by even getting odd number. Here even number divided by even, you are getting even number. So it will become what? Either odd or both cases coming. So division is some difficult. Here typical situation came. You notice here typical thing. Both are coming. When you divide even by even, here all are coming odd number. Here divide even by even, all you get see is coming even number. So in both case, and some case also be like that. For example, 14 divided by 4. In this case, what you see, is this the even number? It will be even number. But it is divisible? No, it is not divisible. You will, after dividing, it is not getting completely divisible. It will come 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja, what will come? 7 by 2. It will not getting complete. It is you get in the point, not getting the whole number. So another case, what will happen? It will not getting is equal to whole number. Whole number, because in odd or even number we are dividing whole number into odd or even number. In the whole number section, the even all odd number belongs to. So what, after division of whole number from whole number, either it will be both are even number, in all both are whole number, but after dividing we are not getting the whole number. So after dividing, in the most video or cases you see that written even divided by either you get odd or even. But other case also came, you see here, where you see that after dividing even from even, we are not getting the whole number, it is coming to the decimal number. So it become integers. No, it is no integer, it is a fraction number. What is it called? A rational number. So integer will be also in whole number, but it is also negative and positive both. So what will be number is, it will be in fraction and it is a rational number as a P by Q form. So this is the main point what we are trying to understand you. Okay, in this case, even and even, three case is coming. One is you are getting odd number, another case you are getting even number, in third case you are not getting either even or odd, you come the number in decimal. So three case happen in division. And what will happen if we divide odd number? Divide by odd number. Just for example, if you divide 15 by 5, 21 by 3 and 25 by 5. All number are odd number, either numerator and denominator, either above or below. What we get here, either dividing 5 divided by 50, 3 divided by 7, 5 by 5. We are getting what? All getting odd number. What we are getting? After division, odd number by odd number, we are getting here all are odd number. But we'll see with other example also what are we getting. If you 23 or 13 or 17, all are odd number also. 23, 13, 17. Here you what you see in mostly case in written and trying to describe you, when you divide odd number you will get odd number, but it will not be always. So in one case we get odd number, but in another case we will see what is the situation coming. In 23, 13, 17 all are odd number, but when we divide it by 3 or by 5 or it by 7, it will be divisible? No, it will not be going to divisible. So in this case also what we are getting? Not getting whole number, either not even or not odd number. So in this case also we are getting that we are not getting whole number also. When we divide odd number by odd number, we get in one case odd number and another case not whole number. That means not completely divisible. Number come in decimal if you try to divide it, and it will become the rational number. And another situation, what will we see? Even number divided by odd number. When you try to any even number, for example 18, 20, 16, in any odd number like 3, 5, 7, you cannot divide it. So in this only one case, but it is not completely divisible. It will not get whole number. In another case, odd number divided by even. No, sorry, here also you get two conditions. When you divide even, try to even divide by odd. First is this condition, even number where is not whole number. Another case also, when like 18 divided by 3, 20 divided by 5 and 28 divided by 7. Here you also getting two conditions, 3 6 is 18, 5 4 is 20, 7 4 is 28. What you are getting? Always even number. So here also two conditions is coming. One is not divisible, another is even number. Here I will check, you will get odd number or not also. 3, if you try to table, you get 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. No, always if you try to divide with even number, you will get even number. 20, 5 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. No, like this. 7 2 is 14, get even number. 7 3 is 21, becomes odd. So you will get either even number or not divisible. You are not getting whole number. In case of odd and even, if you see 1 5 6 2 1 by 3 Like it is not to get any big number. It is example, let's see, 21 divided by 2, 13 divided by 2, 15 divided by 2. So it is clear that if you try to any odd number by even number, then you will be not be getting the whole number. This is the condition in the odd and even relation in the division. Division section is slightly difficult to remember you. Another addition, subtraction and multiplication is easy. So division is slightly difficult, so you have to remember it. I will try to explain you all by the example. Even divided by even, either means odd or even, also whole number, three condition. You also note that what is feel here common in all the section, you are getting whole number, not whole number. Even divided by even, you are getting one case where not completely divisible. In this odd number divided by odd number, you get one case where it is not completely divisible. Even divided by odd, here you getting also one case is that this is not completely divisible. You will not get the whole number. Odd divided by even, you are also getting not completely divisible. So not completely divisible, you in all four cases you will get. And another thing is, in this case you get even number, you get odd number, and in this odd or even both. So try to understand, and after understanding try to memorize it, because it is easy when you understand to set in your mind. So hope you will enjoy and easily learn these things. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.